We're changing your automation process.
But why?
Introducing iiQWorks, KUKA's first all-in-one engineering suite.
All-in-one? I love all-in-one.
One central platform for the entire automation process with KUKA robots.
iiQWorks is all I need, right?
All you need is an iiQWorks license and a PC.
Let's go!
Get from scratch to reality with the integrated simulation software iiQWorks Sim. Build your robot system, get the matching offer, and buy it. Experience easy commissioning with digital twins and say goodbye cycle time surprises and hello to collision-free paths. Once running, test optimizations offline, no downtime required. Utilize our AI Copilot to lighten your programming workload. iiQWorks connects your teams, visualizes automation ideas, and puts everyone in perfect sync. Upgrades, add-ons, maintenance, iiQWorks has your back every step of the way. So, looks like everything you need is iiQWorks.
Industrial intelligence.